Saturday morning edition of The Law and You right here on Eyewitness News. Back with us this morning, attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Ciarimboli. Gentlemen, good morning.
Thank you for the eggs this morning. Thank you for the coffee, the bacon, the home
Gourmet
fries.
breakfast this week.
It was nice.
It was great.
Well, we try to treat you well here.
Really
You guys
was.
great.
Craft
Do a great
services
job.
was terrific.
Boy, we do our best. All right. Well, our question today involves contractors. We hear a lot of contractor horror stories, and people have contacted the station, contacted the I-team. Let me give you a scenario. What if someone gives a deposit to a contractor? Let's use $5,000 as an example, and the contractor takes the $5,000, runs, never performs any work, doesn't answer any calls. How does someone handle that? What's the first thing they can do to try to get their money back?
I tell you what, this actually happened to Greg and I. Many years ago, we actually gave I think it was $10,000 to a contractor, and he went to Disney World. And what we had to do is we had to file a claim at the magistrate's level first, have a hearing, ultimately get a judgment against them. The problem is a lot of these contractors are judgment-proof. I mean, so it's really incumbent upon the people who are hiring the contractors. Make sure you're hiring somebody who's licensed, who's bonded, who's insured. Otherwise, you're not going to be able to get your money back from these people. I mean, it's tough.
Didn't they just pass a new law though about contractor theft? So I think the legislature listened, and they came up with a new law that says, that they can basically charge these contractors with some form of theft. It's not theft by deception, theft of service. There's a specific provision now dealing with contractor theft because it was so rampant. This is the exact stuff that was going on, which, if you're a lawmaker, you should respond, and I think they did. I think there's a provision out there that says, contractors can't do that exact, and the law is really tailored to that.
Yeah, no question. And Greg's 100% right. The law, so what can happen is the contractor can be charged, but that still doesn't get you your money back. So that's the real issue, is that making sure that these contractors, when you give them a deposit, they're going to do the job that you paid them to do.
And in doing that homework, would you also recommend perhaps talking to people that have used the contractor as a method of research?
Yep. References,
and,
absolutely.
Put it up. Believe it or not, you get great responses from social media. Facebook, I see it all the time. Hey, anybody ever work with this contractor? People put all their answers up. And, it's a good way to do your research.
A little bit more of an informed decision.
Yes,
all right, for our viewers that want to talk to you for a question, how can they do that?
Give us a call, 570-714-HURT. See us on the web, 714hurt.com.
That's a great question. Well done.
All right, well, results matter. Attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Ciarimboli. Gentlemen, thanks for being here. Don't forget, the Law and You hotline is always open, and so is PAHomepage.com.